In the wild, it's not always the biggest or the strongest that survive. Sometimes it's the smartest. From armor-plated tanks to master illusionists, these creatures have evolved the most incredible ways to escape death. Today, we're diving into the top 10 land animals with mind-blowing defensive tactics. Countdown begins. 10. The pangolin. Nature's armored warrior. When danger strikes, the pangolin doesn't run. It rolls into a living fortress. Its tough, overlapping scales are made of keratin, the same material as our nails, making it nearly impossible for predators like lions or hyenas to bite through. But here's the real twist. When attacked, it releases a foul-smelling musk, making it even less appetizing. Talk about a double defense. 9. The opossum. The ultimate fake-out. You've heard the phrase playing possum, right? Well, it's no joke. When threatened, an opossum goes into a lifeless trance, drooling, releasing a nasty-smelling fluid, and even slowing its heartbeat, tricking predators into thinking it's already dead. Since most carnivores prefer fresh kills, they walk away, leaving the opossum to miraculously wake up and scurry to safety. 8. The armadillo. The bulletproof ball. Meet the armadillo, another expert in self-defense. Certain species, like the three-banded armadillo, can roll into a perfect sphere, with no weak spots for predators to grab onto. Others use their tough shell to barge into burrows, blocking the entrance with their armored backs. This makes them one of nature's most well-protected creatures. 7. The horned lizard. The blood-squirting freak. Now this one's straight out of a horror movie. When cornered, the horned lizard has a trick that sends predators running. It shoots blood from its eyes. This stinky, bitter-tasting blood confuses and repels enemies like foxes and coyotes, giving the lizard a chance to escape. Imagine having that superpower. 6. The skunk. The ultimate stink bomb. No list of defensive masters is complete without the skunk. This little mammal has a legendary move. When threatened, it raises its tail, stomps its feet, and unleashes a blast of sulfur-packed spray that can blind and nauseate attackers. What's worse, the smell can last for weeks. 5. The porcupine. The walking pincushion. You'd think a porcupine's quills are just for show, but they're deadly weapons. When attacked, this spiky rodent arches its back, raising thousands of sharp, barbed quills. If a predator gets too close, the porcupine can slam its tail, embedding painful quills that are nearly impossible to remove. Even lions think twice before messing with this walking pincushion. 4. The secretary bird. The snake slayer. This elegant yet ruthless bird doesn't fly away from danger, it stomps it to death. The secretary bird has long, powerful legs that deliver bone-crushing kicks, perfect for killing venomous snakes like cobras. With lightning-fast reflexes, it can dodge strikes and land deadly blows, making it a true warrior of the savannah. 3. The honey badger. The fearless fighter. If you thought attitude doesn't matter in survival, think again. The honey badger is pound for pound one of the toughest animals alive. It has thick, loose skin, making it nearly impossible for predators to grip. Even if a lion catches one, the honey badger can twist around and bite back. Oh, and did we mention it's immune to snake venom? This little tank simply refuses to die. 2. The African bullfrog. The gladiator of amphibians. Clip. A bullfrog inflating its body. This frog doesn't just jump away. It inflates itself to look massive, scaring off predators. But if that doesn't work, it bites with surprising force. Unlike most frogs, this one has teeth-like structures, and it's not afraid to use them. Even snakes and birds think twice before taking on this tough amphibian. 1. The bombardier beetle. The chemical weapon expert. And finally, the most insane defense mechanism in the animal kingdom belongs to the bombardier beetle. When threatened, it blasts a boiling hot chemical spray from its abdomen, reaching temperatures of up to 100 degrees, 212 degrees. This chemical explosion is so powerful that it can burn and repel even the toughest predators, making the bombardier beetle a tiny but deadly survivalist. From spraying acid to faking death, nature's survival game is all about creativity. Which of these defensive tactics shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild content every week.